Have you ever wished you could finish your assignments faster, understand difficult topics easily, and save hours of study time? Well, thanks to artificial intelligence, that's now possible. Today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that every student should start using in 2026. These tools can help you write better reports, organize your notes, create presentations, and even help with coding. Some of these tools, like ChatGPT and Notion AI, are already transforming how students learn and work. So, if you want to study smarter and boost your productivity, keep watching because these tools can make a huge difference. The Hook: reclaiming your time from academic burnout to cognitive ease. Imagine finishing your most daunting assignments in half the time it currently takes without sacrificing quality. Picture yourself writing better reports, generating professional-grade code, and organizing complex research projects automatically while your peers struggle with traditional methods. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools every student should use in 2026 to study smarter, save hours every week, and finally achieve that elusive work-life balance that every student dreams of. Let's start with the first tool, ChatGPT, one of the most powerful AI assistants available today. Think of ChatGPT as your 24-hour personal tutor that can help you understand complex topics whenever you need it. If you're struggling with difficult theories or scientific concepts, you can simply ask ChatGPT to explain them in simple terms. It can break down complicated ideas step by step, making them much easier to understand. Another powerful feature is summarization. Students often need to read long research papers or dense academic articles. Instead of spending hours going through hundreds of pages, ChatGPT can quickly summarize the key points and extract the most important insights. ChatGPT is also extremely useful for brainstorming and problem solving. If you're working on a project or writing code, you can share your ideas or your code with the AI. It can generate new ideas, help you debug errors, and even explain the logic behind the solution step by step. Because of these capabilities, ChatGPT has become an essential productivity tool for students who want to learn faster, work smarter, and save valuable time. Let's move on to the second tool, Notion AI, an incredibly smart assistant for organizing your notes and managing your studies. Think of Notion AI as your personal academic organizer that helps you turn messy notes and random ideas into clean, structured documents. Instead of spending time organizing pages and bullet points, Notion AI automatically arranges your thoughts so everything is easy to find and ready for your next exam or assignment. Notion AI also helps with studying. It can create custom study plans based on your syllabus, focusing on the subjects you find most challenging and spacing out review sessions to help you remember more. This makes your study sessions much more efficient and effective. And if you're juggling multiple tasks or group projects, Notion AI can help you stay on top of everything. It predicts deadlines, organizes tasks, and keeps you on track without the stress of manual planning. Because of these features, Notion AI has become an essential tool for students who want to study smarter, stay organized, and save time while getting more done. Now let's talk about the third tool, Grammarly, a powerful assistant for refining your writing. Think of Grammarly as your personal editor that goes far beyond basic spell check. It helps you catch intricate grammatical errors, punctuation mistakes, and other subtle issues, ensuring that your research papers, essays, and assignments meet the highest academic standards. Grammarly also improves the flow and clarity of your writing. It offers suggestions to restructure awkward sentences, making your arguments more persuasive and your ideas easier to follow. And if you need to adjust your tone, Grammarly has you covered. Whether you're drafting a formal thesis, a grant application, or a professional email, it helps you match the right tone for your audience. Because of these features, Grammarly has become an essential tool for students and professionals who want their writing to be polished, clear, and impactful. Tool 4, Canva, the AI-powered Visual Studio Magic Deck. Generation: transform a simple text outline into a fully designed presentation in seconds, with the AI choosing layouts, fonts, and images that align with your topic's visual identity automatically. Rapid graphic design: Create high-impact posters, infographics, and social media assets using AI-suggested templates that provide a professional aesthetic even if you have zero previous design experience. Professional templates. Access an endless library of smart templates that adapt to your content, allowing for rapid iteration and polished results in minutes rather than hours of manual formatting. Next, let's look at GitHub Copilot, an AI-powered coding assistant that acts like a second pilot for programmers. Think of GitHub Copilot as your personal coding partner. It provides real-time suggestions, predicting your next lines of code, and even offering entire functions and logic blocks as you type. This can dramatically speed up your development process. Copilot also handles repetitive or boilerplate code for you, so you can focus on the creative problem-solving and design aspects of your projects instead of getting stuck on tedious tasks. And when it comes to debugging and optimization, GitHub Copilot analyzes your code intelligently, helping you catch bugs before they happen and suggesting ways to improve performance according to industry best practices. Because of these features, GitHub Copilot has become an essential tool for developers who want to code faster, smarter, and with fewer errors. And that wraps up our look at the 5 AI tools that can make student life much easier and more productive in 2026. Using these tools isn't about taking shortcuts, it's about working smarter and mastering your workflow. By integrating ChatGPT, Notion AI, Grammarly, Canva, and GitHub Copilot into your daily routine, you can save valuable time, boost your productivity, and accelerate your learning like never before. The future belongs to those who know how to collaborate with machines to amplify their own potential. Start using these tools today and get a head start on tomorrow. And that's a wrap. By using AI tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, Grammarly, Canva, and GitHub Copilot, you can save time, boost your productivity, and supercharge your learning. Remember, the future belongs to those who know how to collaborate with AI to enhance their own potential. Work smarter, learn faster, and get ahead. Because 2026 is the year efficiency meets excellence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more videos and share it with your friends so they can benefit too. Let's all grow smarter together.